What's up guys, it's Cristian Mercado, and just before I get started with this video, I just want to say this is kind of a raw video, so there will be no cuts, no editing, none of that stuff. It's just going to be me and the camera talking to you. Today we will be talking about how to actually become better at filmmaking. So a lot of people think, oh, just take courses, watch YouTube videos, and they're partly correct, but I want to give you the full blueprint on how to become better at filmmaking, cinematography, videography, just become better with the camera. So first of all, make sure you memorize your camera's controls. If you memorize your camera's controls and you could do them with your eyes closed, then you are a step ahead of a lot of people. Other tip is, I would say, get more involved with like the filmmaking trends and like all that stuff, because there's a bunch of like filmmaking trends, like what's happening now in the filmmaking world. So always stay up to date with that. Another thing is networking and community. One good way to do that is going to film school. But guess what? Film school is way too expensive. I would say find a community or group, or make yourself a group of like filmmakers. For example, I bought the full-time filmmaker course, and it also comes with a Facebook group, a private Facebook group of full-time filmmakers. I would actually suggest that's one of the best groups to be in. The next thing to actually get better at filmmaking itself is a course. So you can buy some cheap course off of Amazon or cheap course off of YouTube or whatever, but I would recommend a full-time filmmaker course. It is very expensive, but compared to film school, it is nothing. Some people who went to film school and did full-time filmmaker say that full-time filmmaker teaches more stuff than film school. So that is really crazy. And I did it too, and I'm still doing it. That's why I got in the group and all that stuff. It's amazing. They have free resources. They have discount codes to gear. It is so cool, and that is literally how I got so good at filmmaking. Not professional. I mean, I was very bad, and I got better. So I would recommend buying full-time filmmaker. That's one of the only courses I recommend personally as a filmmaker. Another way how to become better at filmmaking is by just making films, recording videos on your own. Make a short film about what you do every day, or your morning routine, something like that. Make it very cinematic. Maybe even make a short film with some of your friends, like get a storyline and everything, and then record it and everything. You will have that to your portfolio, and you will also have the experience. Experience is key in filmmaking. You need a lot of experience. And if you do every single one of those things, I guarantee you will level up your filmmaking. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.